View panel. On this panel you will find useful enhanced commands to manage views and much more. Let us have a quick tour for all commands found on this panel. Zoom commands. Zoom limits. Zooms to display drawing limits. Useful when you draw and print from model space. Limits, line on, off. Display limits light blue line when limits zoom is at edge. Sets limits line off. Limits, polyline. Display polyline at drawing limits. Zoom, window. Zooms to increase or decrease the apparent size of objects in the current viewport. Zoom, previous. Zooms to display the previous view. Zoom, extents. Zooms to display all objects in the current drawing. Zoom, object. Zooms to display one or more selected objects as large as possible and in the center of the view. Zoom, scale. Zooms to change the magnification of a view using a scale factor. Zoom, center. Zooms to display a view defined by a center point and a magnification value or a height. Zoom, all. Zooms to display all visible objects and visual aids. CAD on Alpha, toolbars on. Displays all CAD on Alpha commands on toolbars. Minimize ribbons to tabs for larger display area. Hide, CAD on Alpha toolbars. Hides CAD on Alpha toolbars, to display commands on ribbons. Auto, order. Arrange the order of objects as they are entered. New on top. Move, selected layer front. Move, selected layer back. Moves all selected objects on a layer back. Bring, to front. Forces selected objects to be displayed in front of all other objects. Send, to back. Forces selected objects to be displayed behind all other objects. Move, text, dimensions front. Moves text and dimensions to front, for printing clarity. Block order. Move, selected objects front. Moves selected objects to front, displayed on top. Info. Select an object to see its properties in text window. Advanced info. Select a text object to see more information. Tile horizontally. Arranges windows and icons in horizontal, non-overlapping tiles. Tile vertically. Arranges windows and icons in vertical, non-overlapping tiles. Cascade. Leaving title bars visible. View drawing. Useful command to view any drawing without open it. Selected file is shown as thumbnail and in a bigger window to zoom and pan. Spy drawing. Open drawing in a palette. Watch contains. Useful command when you want to see a drawing, while you work on current. View slides. With this command you will be able to open and view any slide. Quick view drawing. Launches quick view drawings to set current other open drawing. Switch windows. Select a drawing name to switch display with current drawing.